Welcome, beautiful soul, to today's breathwork meditation to raise your vibration. Settle into a comfortable position and begin to tune into your breath. Take a deep inhale through the nose. Hold for a moment and exhale fully through your mouth with a sigh. Continue inhaling through the nose. Hold and exhaling with a sigh. With each inhalation, imagine breathing in light. And with each exhalation, releasing all that no longer serves you. Now we will continue with a box breath. You're going to inhale through the nose for 4 counts. Hold for 4 counts. Exhale for 4 counts. And hold again for 4 counts. Let's begin. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. And continue at your own pace. Feel your mind beginning to slow and your body grounding into this present moment. Now place your hand over your heart. Inhale through the nose again for 4 counts. And this time, exhale fully through your mouth for 8 counts. And continue at your own pace. With each breath, feel the light in your heart expanding and any leftover tension dissolving. Shifting now into a continuous breathing pattern. Inhale deeply through the nose and And exhale softly through the mouth with no pauses. Inhale and exhale. Inhaling light and exhale, release. Inhale, full breath, and exhale, release. Feel the energy building within you, filling you with light and expansion. Continuing with your breathing deeply. With each inhale, pull in light. And with each exhale, expand this light energy far beyond your body. Continue here with some deep belly breathing at your own pace. Feel your body absorbing the high vibrational energy, grounding it into your being. And now on your last breath, bring a gentle smile to your face and softly bask in this elevated state. Take your time to gently come back into a natural breathing pattern. Wiggle your fingers and toes, perhaps taking a nice long stretch as you gently open your eyes.